This is just to show you what it looks like when you put that slime fix-a-flat in your tire. That stuff's great if you get a flat on the road and you need to get to the shop right away. But I wouldn't leave it in there for a long time. The last guy that had it put slime stuff in it. Look at all this. So I'm gonna have to clean all that. You can see it's just caked. This slime's been in here for a few years. He complained that it always leaked. Well, it was also leaking right around the bead. You can see this stuff is just caked on. Not only that, but look at this. So like I said, emergencies, it's good. Don't leave it in your tire. Also inside here, the slime just turns into big nasty green. Oops, that just fell down in there. Well, I have to get that out. Turns into big slimy green balls. So inside here you can see the slime. Like I said, it's been in here for many years. You can see it's still like a liquid. So it's good, emergencies. But do yourself a favor, get home, clean this out. This is not beneficial for anybody.